Hey guys, welcome to the video today. I'm going to be cooking Hamburger Helper. My issues include frozen beef, having non-dairy beverage with vanilla flavor instead of milk, and making a mess. Will this come out okay? Let's find out. This beef was still pretty frozen, so what I did to start was turn the heat to about medium and put the lid of the pan on the pan. And then every so often, I turned the beef over using a spoon and a spatula and scraped off the beef that I could. I kept doing this until the beef was all the way broken up. Once the beef was all the way broken up, I turned the heat up to medium-high and made sure that the beef got cooked fully all the way through. Okay, the beef is fully cooked, so I'm turning the stove off for now. These that I was using to cook the beef, these are now dirty. Do not use these to scoop up your cooked beef. These have grossness on them. Use a new one or wash these. I'm just using a new spoon here. It's got like some slots in it for the grease and moisture, whatever else to drip out of. So this is the grease, moisture, whatever's left in there. I'm just gonna pour it into, I have some tin foil lining a bowl. Be careful, all this is still really hot. I'm just gonna set this aside and let it cool all the way down. This is where I'm a little concerned. I like to put the pasta sauce in first. Oops, making a mess everywhere. And then I'm gonna stir this up. Gonna stir this in. Okay, I'm gonna turn the stove back on. I'm gonna turn it on to high. Starting to see some boiling. I'm just stirring around, making sure that everything, all the heat is evenly distributed. Okay, this is boiling pretty good now. So now what I'm going to do is turn this down to low and then cover this. And I'll just stir it occasionally for the next about 8 minutes. All right, guys, I'm going to turn the stove off. And I'll let you know if I taste the vanilla in here or not. I hope I don't. All right, big question. Does this taste like vanilla? Let's find out. I'm going to tell you if this tastes good. It tastes really good. I can't tell if I can taste the vanilla or not. I think it's in my mind. Here's my review. I really like Hamburger Helper, and the cheeseburger macaroni one is a classic for me. I haven't had it in a while, and I thought that it was pretty easy to make. It was so good I went back for seconds. After eating the leftovers and thinking about it more, I think I could taste the vanilla. It's also possible it's just in my mind. But either way, I would prefer to use milk in the future if I have it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.